Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Steph AB TV. It feels like it's been a while since I've properly just vlogged. And yes, I do still have the Abarth. I promise you it's still with me. You haven't seen it on the channel for a very long time. Actually, in fact, let's put it here so you guys can see it. Let's go there. Let's do that. As you can tell, here in the UK, the weather is absolutely stunning. It looks like it is snowing. Yep, definitely snowing. And the car's sitting pretty there under its thing, you know. But yeah, I wanted to film yesterday. It was raining and it's snowing today. That's the UK for you. Weather, great. Hello, Carl. Let's get inside you. Let's move you out there. Maybe get a couple of cheeky shots in there. Let's move this bad boy. What? Sick. The Abarth won't start. Great. Oh. Why? Why? It's so annoying. Right, so for anybody who has a power motive exhaust, with the power motive exhaust, you install a solenoid of some sort to effectively keep the valve shut. So that means that if you have the valve shut and you don't drive the car for a period of time and your battery is already half gone, then effectively what that basically means is that when you go to start the car, it won't start. Oh yeah, and I got rid of loads of my hair. Basically, I couldn't deal with the super long length on the side, but I thought I'd turn myself into a mushroom, so I've done just that. Right, let's get the jump leads and fire it up against the Mrs. 500. See, I knew there was a use for that car. It's like they're in love. Look at the two of them. As you can probably tell, I'm losing the plot. I literally am. But hey, great. All right, so first thing first, let's fire up the little bad boy, Fiat 500. There you go. Hook me up. And now, let's hope that the 595 starts. Because if not, well, if not, I need a new battery. Okay. That's not good. I don't know why it's not starting. What's going on? That's not good. Lights now. I think that was just me being a complete tool and not connecting the jump leads properly. That literally gave me a scare. So now it should definitely start. We hope. Oh, now that's looking more positive. Yeah. So yeah, guys, like I said, power motive exhaust, if you're gonna get one, because it took me a while to figure this out, it really did, because when I went on a holiday, the same thing happened. And the reason it happened was because I left the valve closed. Now, when the valve is closed, it's drawing power to keep the valve closed. I'm not sure of the technicalities, but basically, note to anyone with a power motive, make sure to leave the valve open. Or you need a Fiat 500 to jump start it. Now, I'm not even joking, guys, when I'm saying that this was not part of the plan. It literally wasn't. The main reason for this vlog was that I actually wanted to show you guys a little bit more about the Yiannimize and Urban Automotive Nero designed Aventador S that I saw at Autosport International. And because you guys haven't seen the car for so long, I thought it'd be nice to do a little park the car here, do a quick cheeky little cinematic before going into the Aventador S and the Huracan. So let's do that. That could be a new thing, driving with bonnets open. It could be like the 2018 craze. Imagine rolling up to a cruise, bonnets open, engine show off. Hey, for the win. My hands are freezing, by the way. They are absolutely freezing. Right, guys, but anyway, before my hands completely fall off, let's do a cheeky cinematic of the Abarth 595 comp before we go inside and I show you the Aventador S and Huracan S, not Huracan S, Huracan Nero Edition by Yiannimize and Urban Automotive. They're sick, hang around, I promise you. They look amazing. But for now, my car. Thank God, hang on. Exposure. Anyway, thank God that the iPhone is waterproof because right now you guys can't see it, but it's absolutely drenched. And right now for me, I need to go back inside because I'm soaked. Great. I'm gonna go back inside, guys, and for now I'm gonna leave you with the Aventador S and Huracan from Autosport, Yiannimize, Urban Automotive, and Nero Design collaboration. They look sick. Enjoy. Right, so whilst you guys have been watching that, I've been warming up a little bit. I've left the car on, obviously, because the battery's dead. I'm gonna probably take it for a quick little run very shortly to charge it up. But guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. One, finding out why that died. Remember, power motive, valve open all the time. Otherwise, you need a 500 to start it. But guys, my name's been Steph. You guys have been awesome. Hit subscribe below, make me happy, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.